Today we are going to learn how to say Papa, Mama, brother, sister, son, and daughter. Let's start by how to say Papa. Papa, daddy, father. We say Baba. Baba means Papa. Baba, father, daddy. Mama. Mama means mom, mother, or mama. Gaga. Gaga. This means elder brother or older brother. If your brother is older than you, you say Gaga. Gaga is your older brother. If your brother is younger than you, you say Didi. Didi. Tashi wo Didi. Tashi wo da Didi. He is my younger brother. If your sister is older than you, you say姐姐姐姐，她是我姐姐，她是我的姐姐。She is my older sister. If your sister is younger than you, you say 妹妹妹妹，她是我妹妹。She is my younger sister. If you want to say this is my son or he is my son, we say 儿子儿子，他是我的儿子。He is my son. 他是我儿子。He is my son. How to say this is my daughter? She is my daughter. We say 女儿女儿，她是我女儿。她是我的女儿。女儿 means daughter. So, Papa, we say Baba. Mama, we say Mama. Older brother, we say Gaga. Younger brother, we say Didi. Older sister, we say Jeje. Younger sister, we say Meme. Son, we say Arz. Arz. Son. My son. Daughter, we say Nuar. Nuar. 她是我女儿。She is my daughter. 这是我爸爸。This is my daddy. This is my father. 这是我爸爸。她是我妈妈。She is my mom. 她是我妈妈。她是我哥哥。He is my older brother. 他是我弟弟。He is my younger brother. 这是我姐姐。This is my older sister. 那是我妹妹。That one is my younger sister. 那是我儿子。That one is my son. 这是我女儿。This is my daughter. Is it clear?